We're in Houston looking at apartment buildings, up and coming neighborhoods. Stay tuned.
Yep.
190,
Yep.
190, 190. We got 190 in the back.
Yep.
200, 200, 200. Got 200 here. 210,
Yep.
210, 210, 210, 210. I got 200 here, right? 200, 210.
Yeah.
I got 210 in the back. 210, 220. 220 going once. 220 going twice. 220 third final call. That property will sell to bidder number 2046, subject to receipt of funds at a time of 11:15 a.m.
Facebook, huh? Nah, this is Instagram. First live ever. Checking out some new developments in Houston. What's up, Drew? What's up, Corey?
Some of them. This is an investor. I'm pretty sure that one was too. Some of them are homeowners that but investors live
Master.
Renault 100 and ARV.
What's up? Want to tell the people what's up, Mr. Ramon?
Hey, good morning. Hey, I'm out here in Houston with the king of Lafayette.
Nah.
Hey, listen, he will be. Once we all get together and work together, we're going to be all right. This young man has inspired me this weekend. I'm looking to do more buying holes. I'm going to come your way.
Yeah, you should come to Lafayette, bro.
We coming.
We're in Houston walking some houses. They're about to do a rehab on this full gut. It's a 2-bedroom.
Wow.
Why you don't hold it like this, huh?
Good morning, guys. We're in Lake Charles, Louisiana. I'm coming here to open the eviction case on the property I have down here. I'll probably go pass by and show y'all. Stay tuned. All right, man. I basically came all the way over here for nothing because they filed the eviction notice 2 days late. Later than I came over here, so came all the way over here for nothing. I'm out here in Lake Charles, checking out some property while I'm here before I head back to the house with my boy Adidas. I'm gonna show y'all him and he in the inside. What's up? We in Lake Charles. I'm with my boy Adidas.
What's going on?
We looking at a house right now. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Yeah, but you gotta save that money, bro. My boy's thinking might get him, man.
A lot of work.
Might be too much work for him for his first deal. This is right. Right now I'm still in Lake Charles, basically just driving for dollars, looking for any leads, high grass, you know, stuff like that. Vacant houses, that'd be perfect. What I do is take a picture of the house, get the address, and skip trace it, and try to find out who the owner is, and shoot them an offer or try to make an appointment. Hey, before this vlog ends, I have to thank my cousin Herbert Broussard, aka Skinny Herb. I'll put all his information down below. I had to thank him for inviting me to Flipology, and also thank Mr. Ramon for holding Flipology. Flipology was a great experience. Flipology is basically for new investors, experienced investors. Well, anybody that's invested in real estate should go check out Flipology if it ever comes to your city. It was a great experience. I made a lot of new connections, networked a lot. Mr. Ramon became a friend basically. I just wanted to thank Ramon and his team for holding it down in Texas. I'll probably make it to another one in Atlanta. I'll see you on the next video. Wait, I got one more thing. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one.